Good morning, students. In this module, we will learn the types of decimals. Consider the example 7 by 8. We know how to divide 7 by 8. The actual division in 7 there is no 8, so we shall put 0 here and then put the point here. Then we can add number of zeros after putting the point here. Now consider the two digits 70, that is 70. In 70, how many 8s are there? 8 8s are 64. So 8 8s are 64, so we can put the 8 here and 64. After that, the normal division, subtraction 70 minus 64, 60, that is 6, and carry the 0 here. In 60, 7 8s are there, so 7 8s are 56, and remainder 4, carry the next 0, 40. In the 40, how many 8s are there? 5 40s are, 5 8s are 40, and the remainder 0. Now we can stop after getting 0. So 7 by 8 is equal to 0.875. This is one type of decimal. Same calculation 21 by 25, and we cannot divide 21 by 25, so we can put 0 and regular calculation. After getting remainder 0, we can stop it, and the answer is 0.84. This is also first type. Consider the example 2.2 from our book. See the first subdivision. We have 4 by 11 minus 4 by 11. So when we do the division here, what is our answer? 0.3636. It will goes on, so there is no end because all the reminders are 4 and 7 will be repeated. So 4 by 11 is equal to 0.363636, etc., and we can write in symbol minus 4 by 11 equal to minus 0.36 bar. Here this bar denoting the repeated digits, that is 0.363636. Here two digits are repeated. Similarly, consider 11 by 75, the same calculation, but here which digit is repeating? Only 6 only repeated, so we can write in symbol 11 by 75 equal to 0.146 bar, and this bar comes only for the digit 6 because here 6 only repeated here, so we can put the bar for the 6 alone. So these two examples are second type. So we can conclude first type is terminating. If the digits are not repeated after the decimal point, what is here? We have 1.0, so 1.0, so after the decimal point we can count the number of digits, that is only one digit is there. Similarly here also 0.5, there is only one digit, 5 only. So the first two are terminating decimal expansion. And the second type is non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating and recurring. This is the second type. What is here we have 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is mean 0.3333 it goes on. So we can put 0.3 bar. So whenever you have the bar or infinite number of digits repeated, we can say that type of decimal as non-terminating and recurring. 1 by 4 0.25, so terminating. 1 by 5 0.2, it is also terminating. And 1 by 6, when we divide it, we have 0.16 bar, so it will of type non-terminating and recurring. So what we can conclude from these divisions, there is only two types of rational number, that is a fraction decimal expansion. First one is terminating decimal expansion, and second one non-terminating recurring. This all together one type. So these are all two types of decimal expansion. First one is terminating decimal expansion, second one non-terminating and recurring decimal expansion. So we can say a rational number can be expressed by either terminating or non-terminating and recurring decimal expansion. Thank you, students.